Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix IMO invite problem. There's a major problem on IMO application that is occurring so much that you cannot invite friends on your IMO. So how to fix that? First of all, go to the settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to the apps. Like there are the apps option, click on apps. Once you click on apps, these option will appear. Click on permissions, go to permissions again. From here, this is permission manager will open. From here, scroll down and go to the contact, as well as what you can do is go to the SMS and the contact. Make sure that you have allowed IMO application to allow both of these. Otherwise, if it still doesn't work, just hold on IMO and click on the I button. Once you click on the I button, go on the storage, and from here at the bottom should find clear data. Clear all the cache and reinstall the app if that doesn't work still. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.